Hello, my beautiful sisters. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial will be on this trending gele style that I saw on my beautiful actress Mercy Aigbe and this other fashion lady. So I decided to share it with you, my beautiful sisters. So this style you can tie it for your client to Owambe parties, or you can just tie it on yourself, on your head by yourself. So this gele is not something that is very hard, sisters. So at first I created like 5 pleats first. So the ratio for this gele, sisters, is 50-50 ratio. So after creating like that 5 pleats, come back, start creating another pleat, then start creating fan. So I'm creating fan. I'll use office pin to pin it down because I don't want my fan to unravel. So I'm using office pin to pin it down. So now I'm extending the hand of the fan now, sisters. So just look at the way I'm doing it. This gele is not hard, sisters. It's very easy. Very easy. I'm very sure you can get it. Gele is not hard. So and it depends on how you want your fan to be much. But I notice in the gele there, the fan is not that much, so I just think my fan should be like 4 or 5 there. So the excess hand, I'm using office pin to pin it down there. So I've used office pin to pin it down like so. So I'm adjusting the fan now, sisters. I'm adjusting the fan. So I'm still adjusting the fan. So I want to bring back the other hand now, sisters. I'm just sweating. God help me with this sweat too. So I'm just bringing back the other hand now, doing the same thing. I'm creating pleats before I start creating my fan, sisters. So please, if you have any questions, you can let me know at the comment section below. And please don't forget to also follow your girl on Instagram at glambeauty30. Glambeauty30. Please follow your girl on Instagram. Help me to grow also on Instagram. I'll really appreciate it, sisters. Tell your friends about me to follow my Instagram page and also to watch my video. Let me know if you have any questions, sisters. So I'm so sorry that my hand is blocking you guys. I'm so sorry about that, sister. But I'm just still creating. I'm still adjusting it. I'm still doing the fan. So now I'll place it on top of that one now very well. I'll place it on top of that very well. So I'm adjusting the excess hand now. I'll tell my model to help me to hold it down so that I'll be able to adjust that area. So I'll see me sweating. God. Jesus. Sisters, please comment to help your sister ministry. Abeg, make una no dey skip apps. Abeg, I dey beg you. With all this sweat wey I dey sweat, abeg make I even chop small money. Make una no dey skip apps. So sisters, abeg, make una help me dey watch that small advert wey una dey see on top these videos dem. Abeg, make una no dey skip am, my beautiful sisters. Ejo, make una pity una girl. Abeg, na money we dey take buy data or take upload this video for una. As I dey sweat, sister, make una help una girl. Ejo, biko nu. As I dey sweat, see all my clothes. As I'm sweating, my sisters. Abeg, make una no skip apps. Abeg, I dey beg you now. So this is it, sisters. So you can see the gele is not that hard. Something simple. Something simple. So just let me know if you have any questions, sisters. Let me know. Thank you for always watching my videos, sisters. I really appreciate all the love, the support. Thank you, sisters. I really appreciate. Without you guys, without you, my beautiful sisters, I would not be here. I love you, sisters. See you in my next video. Bye.